Welcome to Story Lane English. In this video, we'll help you improve your English while learning about one of the most inspiring figures in history, Warren Buffett. Through his story, you will not only practice listening and vocabulary, but also discover valuable lessons about life, success, and even enjoy some humor along the way. Are you ready to learn and grow? Warren Buffett's life is proof that success doesn't come from luck or special connections. Instead, it comes from patience, hard work, and a willingness to learn. He is one of the richest people in the world today, but he started with almost nothing. His story will teach you how small, consistent steps can lead to big results. So, as you listen, pay attention to the English phrases, grammar, and vocabulary that can help you on your journey to mastering the language and achieving your goals. By the end of this video, you will not only know more about Warren Buffett, but also feel inspired to take control of your own success. Let's begin this exciting journey together. Humble beginnings. Warren Buffett was born on August 30th, 1930, in Omaha, Nebraska, a small town in the United States. His family lived a simple life in a modest home. Warren's father, Howard Buffett, was a stockbroker and a politician. He taught Warren the importance of honesty and hard work. His mother, Layla, was strict but supportive, always encouraging her children to do their best. Even as a child, Warren showed a strong interest in business and making money. At just 6 years old, he bought a pack of chewing gum for 25 cents and sold each piece to his neighbors for a small profit. This was Warren's first experience as a businessman. Later, he found more ways to earn money, such as selling Coca-Cola bottles and magazines. By the time he was a teenager, he had even started delivering newspapers. Warren's paper route was one of his most successful early ventures. Every morning, he woke up early and rode his bicycle through the streets, delivering newspapers to people's homes. He worked hard and saved every penny he earned. By the time he was just 16 years old, Warren had saved around $300, a large amount of money at that time. Instead of spending it, he used it to buy a 40-acre farm, which he rented out to a farmer. This was his first step toward creating passive income. Warren's parents played an important role in shaping his character. His father's lessons in honesty and responsibility stayed with him throughout his life. His mother's encouragement gave him the confidence to dream big and take risks. These early experiences taught Warren the value of hard work, patience, and smart decision-making. They became the foundation of his success. From selling gum to investing in a farm, Warren's childhood was full of small but meaningful steps toward his dreams. His story reminds us that success is not about where you start, but how you use the opportunities around you. What lessons can you take from Warren's humble beginnings to apply to your own life? Let's keep exploring his journey. Early lessons in investing. Warren Buffett's journey into the world of investing began when he was just 11 years old. At that young age, he bought his first stock. It was 3 shares of a company called Cities Service, and each share cost $38. Shortly after he bought them, the stock's price dropped to $27. While many people would have panicked, Warren stayed calm. He held on to the shares until they rose to $40, then sold them for a small profit. However, he soon learned a powerful lesson when the stock price continued to rise to over $200. This taught Warren the importance of patience and thinking long-term. As a teenager, Warren continued to find creative ways to grow his wealth. With the $300 he saved from his newspaper route, he made a bold decision to invest in a 40-acre farm. He rented the farm to a local farmer, which provided him with a steady income. This was an early example of Warren's ability to see opportunities and make smart financial choices. Warren's passion for learning also played a key role in his success. He loved reading books about wealth, business, and investing. One of his favorite books was 1,000 Ways to Make $1,000. This book inspired him to think big and explore new ideas for making money. He also admired the work of Benjamin Graham, a famous investor who wrote The Intelligent Investor. Graham's ideas about value investing had a huge impact on Warren's approach to business. Through these experiences, Warren developed a deep understanding of money, patience, and decision-making. He learned that success doesn't come from quick wins, but from careful planning and a long-term vision. These early lessons became the foundation of his investment philosophy and set him on the path to becoming one of the greatest investors of all time. Education and mentorship. Warren Buffett's formal education played an important role in shaping his future. After high school, Warren attended the University of Nebraska, where he studied business. Despite working various jobs to support himself, he graduated at the age of 19 with a degree in business. This early dedication to learning and hard work showed his determination to succeed. After finishing his undergraduate degree, Warren set his sights on Harvard Business School. However, he was rejected. Instead of feeling defeated, Warren saw this as an opportunity. He discovered that Benjamin Graham, the author of The Intelligent Investor and a legendary figure in the world of finance, was teaching at Columbia University. Warren applied to Columbia and was accepted. This decision turned out to be one of the most important in his life. At Columbia, Warren studied under Benjamin Graham and learned the principles of value investing. This philosophy focuses on finding undervalued companies with strong potential and holding on to them for the long term. Warren was deeply influenced by Graham's teachings, and he considered him not just a mentor, but also a role model. Graham's guidance helped Warren develop the investment strategies that would later make him famous. Despite his talent and knowledge, Warren faced challenges early in his career. After graduating from Columbia, he wanted to work for Benjamin Graham's investment firm. However, Graham initially turned him down, saying Warren lacked enough experience. Undeterred, Warren returned to Omaha and began working as a stockbroker, while continuing to study companies and build his investment skills. These experiences taught Warren the value of persistence and learning from setbacks. His rejection from Harvard and early career hurdles did not stop him. Instead, they pushed him to seek new opportunities and grow stronger. Warren's time at Columbia and his mentorship under Benjamin Graham laid the foundation for his success, proving that education and guidance from the right people can make all the difference in achieving your goals. Building Berkshire Hathaway. In 1956, Warren Buffett started his own investment partnership with just $105,000 collected from family and friends. This marked the beginning of his journey to becoming one of the most successful investors in history. Warren's strategy was simple yet effective. Identify undervalued companies, invest in them, and let their value grow over time. His disciplined approach quickly gained the trust of his partners and helped the partnership flourish. One of Warren's early and most significant moves was his investment in a struggling textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. Initially, Warren saw potential in the company's undervalued stock and began buying shares in the early 1960s. However, when the company's management tried to undercut him during a buyout deal, Warren decided to take control of Berkshire Hathaway out of principle. While the textile business itself was declining, Warren soon realized that Berkshire could serve as a holding company for his investments. Under Warren's leadership, Berkshire Hathaway transformed into an investment powerhouse. He shifted the company's focus from textiles to acquiring and investing in diverse businesses. Warren's philosophy was to find companies with strong fundamentals, trustworthy management, and long-term growth potential. Over the years, Berkshire Hathaway grew into a conglomerate that owns or invests in companies like Geico, Dairy Queen, and Duracell. Warren's investment in American Express during the 1960s is a great example of his ability to spot opportunities. After a major scandal caused American Express's stock to plummet, Warren saw the company's underlying strength and invested heavily. His confidence paid off as the company recovered and became one of his most successful investments. In 1988, Warren made another iconic investment by purchasing shares in Coca-Cola. He admired the company's global brand and customer loyalty. Over time, Coca-Cola became a cornerstone of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio and a symbol of Warren's long-term investment strategy. More recently, Warren surprised many by investing in Apple, a technology company. Although he had previously avoided tech stocks, he recognized Apple's ability to combine innovation with customer loyalty. Today, Apple is one of Berkshire Hathaway's largest holdings, proving that Warren's willingness to adapt and learn has been key to his success. From a struggling textile company to a global investment giant, Berkshire Hathaway's transformation is a testament to Warren Buffett's vision and discipline. His story teaches us that success comes from making thoughtful decisions, staying patient, and embracing change when needed. What can you learn from Warren's journey with Berkshire Hathaway? Let's keep exploring. Values, lifestyle, and legacy. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, Warren Buffett is known for his modest and frugal lifestyle. He still lives in the same house in Omaha, Nebraska, that he bought in 1958 for $31,500. Warren avoids unnecessary luxuries and believes in spending money wisely. For him, happiness comes not from material possessions, but from meaningful experiences and relationships. Warren's personal relationships have always been important to him. He valued the support of his late wife, Susan Buffett, who played a significant role in his success. Even after Susan's passing, Warren continued to honor her legacy by giving back to society. His close friendship with Bill Gates also led to a powerful partnership in philanthropy. In 2010, Warren co-founded the Giving Pledge with Bill and Melinda Gates. This initiative encourages billionaires to donate the majority of their wealth to charitable causes. Warren himself has pledged to give away 99% of his fortune. He believes that wealth is a tool to improve society and that those who have been fortunate should help others. Through his generosity, Warren has inspired countless others to make a difference in the world. Warren's life is also a treasure trove of lessons. He emphasizes the importance of patience, integrity, and continuous learning. He believes that success comes from staying true to your values and making decisions with a long-term perspective. Warren often says, "It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you'll do things differently." Another of Warren's key principles is the power of learning. He spends hours every day reading and expanding his knowledge. He believes that knowledge compounds just like money and encourages everyone to develop a habit of lifelong learning. The more you learn, the more you earn, he says. Through his values, lifestyle, and legacy, Warren Buffett has shown the world that true success is about more than just money. It's about living with purpose, helping others, and staying curious and humble. Warren Buffett's story is a reminder that success is a journey, not a destination. From humble beginnings to becoming a global icon, his life teaches us that hard work, patience, and integrity are the keys to achieving greatness. Whether you're learning English, starting a new career, or chasing your dreams, Warren's principles can guide you. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Warren Buffett. We hope you've learned not just about him, but also about how to improve yourself. Keep practicing your English and applying these lessons to your own life. Remember, the path to success starts with one small step. See you in the next video.